Hey guys, Mike Martin here for Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you from the stage and set of the Week to Wicked build for the 55 two-door sedan. And we're going to just start up here with the guys are on a break, so I've got kind of free reign here. So we got an opportunity to take a really unrestricted look at what the progress is going on here. As you can see, they got the high-capacity gas tank from CPP. This is the fuel-injected one. As you can see, there's a intake fuel pump there. And we've got some plumbing done back here. They got the regulator and a filter setup right there. You can kind of take another look at that 4-link setup that they've got on this thing with the Viking coilovers. Just pan over here. They're using the rod ends from Ride-Tech, kind of a really innovative design that gives full articulation. They've got their new high clearance sway bar back there. And let's kind of pan over here and take a look at what we got here. And look at what we got here. We got a beautiful Tremec transmission and a nice LT1. Let's kind of walk over here carefully. We're walking by this lift here and check her out here. Step back here so you can get a really good look at that beautiful thing. They've got this in yesterday, and there's the pulley system. This is the Holley pulley system. Nice tight little combination there going on, and just making lots of progress here on day 3. There's the body that's waiting to be mated to the frame. I think they're going to shoot for that maybe tonight. So really stepping along really well. Let's kind of walk back here and see what else they got going on here for us. And if we look off here in the distance here, it looks like they're mocking up and getting ready to put in the cooling and AC condenser system. Now this system is a Hot Rods by Dean unit. This is also available from Danchuk Manufacturing. It comes with the core support, the fans, cooling system. You got matching overflow tanks, and for the 55 for extra clearance, those little V-looking things down there, they're actually hood braces to give extra clearance to get over the core support on the 55s. They're very tight, so they are limited space, so they provide all that for you. Again, those items are available through Danchuk Manufacturing. Doing a little wiring still on that, and making lots of progress here. So, and there's the AC unit waiting to go back into the car. They've done some work here. They've got some fittings there for the heating and cooling, the HVAC system for the car. And it looks like they're making some holes for the hydraulic clutch pedal for this system. So again, just really making great progress here. Things are moving right along. Take one other shot of this beautiful LT1 engine. They still got to dress it up with some goodies. Got some big brakes on there. Again, high clearance sway bars and stuff. Just a really neat roadworthy package. Big old 6-piston calipers, product from CPP. But check back in with me. I'll be doing daily updates and coming to you from Danchuk Manufacturing. This is Mike Martin coming to you from the Week to Wicked set for CPP, and it's sponsored by Danchuk Manufacturing. Talk to you soon, guys. Stay tuned.